Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking Oxtail Kare Kare Kapampangan style. Let's do it! Here are the ingredients. We have oxtail, beef tripe, onions, squash, eggplant, string beans, bochoy, ground peanuts, garlic, olive oil, fish sauce, black pepper, peanut butter, coconut milk, atchuete for coloring, and we're gonna use also beef broth. So in this recipe, we already boiled the oxtail and beef tripe, so they're tender already. So this won't take long to cook, so we can proceed to cooking now. In our hot pot here, let's put olive oil. Okay. Then we put our onions. Let's give it a minute. Now this time we're gonna put our garlic. Give it 30 seconds. Now we add a little bit of fish sauce. Okay. And then we have the anato or atchuete, which we dissolved in olive oil. So this is anato oil or atchuete oil. Okay, let's put it in. We do this only for coloring, so your kare kare will have a very good color. Okay, go. Let's mix it. Look at the color, beautiful. And then we will put beef broth on it for our kare kare. Now let's add our beef broth. There you go. And we're gonna let this simmer. Now it's boiling now. Now we can add our peanut butter. Okay. All right. And this is real delicious. Okay. And then we will add our beef oxtail or oxtail. All right. We're gonna let this simmer for another 5 to 7 minutes, so the ingredients will mix with the oxtail. So we'll cover this. Now we'll add pepper, ground pepper. Okay. All right. Now this is the time to add our beef tripe. Okay. All right. and add our coconut milk and let it simmer for the next 2 minutes. Oh, it's beautiful. I like the color. Let's cover it. Let's check our kare kare. Okay, now it's time to add our ground peanut. There you go. And let it simmer again. Now we can put our squash. Okay. As well as our string beans. And we're gonna simmer this for the next 3 minutes. Let's cover it. Now let's check our kare kare. Smells so good. Now this is the right time to put our eggplant. Okay. You won't go wrong if you put a lot of vegetables, you know. Different vegetables will be fine. There you go. And this will take another 2 minutes. And then we're gonna put the bochoy later on. But this time we're gonna let the eggplant to be cooked. So let's cover it. Now let's check our kare kare. Wow, all the vegetables are cooked now. So we're gonna do the final touch. We're gonna put the bochoy. This will take only 30 seconds to cook it. So we'll just put it on top and then we'll cover it. And we're gonna just let the steam from the kare kare to cook the bok choy. So this is done. Cover it. And we'll turn off the stove and we're gonna do the serving. Here's the finished product. Oxtail Kare Kare, Kapampangan style. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.